Hey foodies, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making something super tasty and healthy, these high protein soya tikkis. Whether you're looking for a guilt-free evening snacks or a crowd-pleasing starter, these tikkis are going to be your new favorite. I've got about 50 grams of soya chunks here, which I'll be boiling in some water with some salt until they are nice and soft. We'll also prepare our veggies. I'm keeping it simple today with some finely chopped onions and green chilies, but feel free to add some grated carrots and cabbage if you feel like adding these. Once the chunks are boiled, make sure to squeeze out all the excess water and grind them into a smooth paste. Now let's bring everything together by adding in our chopped veggies, and let's spice it up with some salt, pepper, Kashmiri chili powder, biryani masala and some ginger garlic paste. Finally, add that corn flour, which will help us in binding it all together. Now shape the tikkis and gently fry them on medium heat until they're golden brown and beautiful. In the meanwhile, let's whip up a quick dip to go with it. Let's blend together some mint leaves, coriander leaves, ginger, garlic, green chilies, a splash of water along with some salt and lemon juice. Finally mix it with some beaten curd, and you can store this dip in your fridge and continue enjoying it for a few days. Plate your tikkis. These are crisp, flavorful and packed with protein. Thank you.